In this video, we'll guide you through the proper installation of framing for divider boards when using TimberTech decking products. Here's a subtle twist on the traditional deck pattern. By using a divider board running perpendicular to the rest of the deck, you can add a design element plus use shorter length boards. This pattern is also perfect for creating separation or changing direction between different areas of the deck. Before you start building, it's crucial to review the full TimberTech deck installation guides, installation PDF, and videos, which can be found on www.timbertech.com. So, why use a divider board? This simple addition can bring a unique twist to your deck while offering several benefits. Eliminate butt joints. Reduce gaps, especially when using shorter board lengths. Facilitate changes in the direction of deck boards. Add a distinct design element to your deck. However, if you decide to implement divider boards, it's imperative to plan and construct the framing correctly. Failing to do so may result in excessive gaps and/or an uneven deck surface. Ensure your deck has a rigid substructure attached to a solid footing or building. Do not use floating substructures or framing. For best results, use high-quality exterior lumber such as kiln-dried wood, sorted for dimensional consistency and straightness. TimberTech decking will conform to the contour of the joists it's attached to. To avoid an uneven or wavy walking surface, follow the recommended steps to ensure that joists are in plane across the tops and secure them with solid blocking. Frequently use string lines or lasers to maintain the plane of all framing members across the tops. Ensure that the joists are in plane with the ledger board and rim joist at the tops during installation. Make any necessary adjustments using a power planer, notching, or shimming. It's essential to understand that the typical divider board framing methods used for wood decking are not suitable for TimberTech composite or advanced PVC decking. Improper framing methods can lead to excessive gapping and uneven edges. Let's take a look at some examples of improper framing. Common framing methods used for wood decking will likely fail. It's important to follow the recommended construction methods for divider board framing. To ensure the best results, use the following recommended framing method. Construct a ladder using 2x4 boards below where the divider board will be placed using a full joist under each edge of the divider. Place short ladder blocks at 16-inch intervals and fasten them using quality exterior screws. Avoid using lumber which is situated flat below the divider board as cupping and distortion may occur. Build a ladder on each side of the divider joists using full joists and blocking attached with screws and spaced 24 inches apart. Attach the ladder assembly to the divider support joists frequently using quality exterior grade screws. The blocking in the ladder assemblies will help to resist any movement or shifting in the framing caused by thermal expansion and contraction of the decking. This is recommended in this type of application since all deck boards are breaking on the same joist, which will generate additional force on those joists. The use of ladder blocking on each side of the divider will help to distribute the force throughout the framing. Once framing is completed, TimberTech joist tape can be used to protect the tops of joists from moisture damage, which will help to prolong the life of the wood framing. In summary, the framing method we recommend helps resist any movement or separation in the framing that could occur naturally with the lumber or due to decking material expansion and contraction. The blocking in the ladder assemblies will help to resist any movement or shifting in the framing caused by thermal expansion and contraction of the decking in this type of application. Double joists below the divider support the divider board and the main field of deck boards. All framing and blocking must be in plane across the tops. Secure the divider board with 2 screws every 16 inches apart maximum. For advanced PVC decking, consider fastening every 12 inches and using 3 fasteners at all end joints. For proper fastener locations and frequency, be sure to refer to the installation guideline for the specific deck board that will be used in your application. Remember, proper framing is key to the success of your TimberTech deck installation, and it's important to follow specific framing practices to ensure correct installation of your divider board. With all of this in mind, you are now ready to construct your divider board framing.